death of the 29-year-old detainee G Ganeshwaran while in police custody is shocking and deeply concerning. Civil liberties and human rights lawyers such as Hakimi Abdul Jabar are deeply alarmed by the continued increase in statistics surrounding deaths in custody in Malaysia over the years and the lack of accountability for numerous cases of death in custody, as well as ill treatment of detainees. Ganeshwaran was arrested on December 14, 2017 and was in good health, according to his family members. His family has mentioned that he had complained about being beaten during his time in lockup, appeared sickly and complained of breathing difficulties. He had died before reaching the hospital to receive treatment. The death of the victim raises alarming questions of how criminal suspects are treated by the Malaysian police during police investigations. It must be noted that investigations into reports of police abuses are very rare and only occur when there is extensive pressure from the media and human rights organizations. As such, there must be an independent, impartial and effective investigation into the death of the victim and to ensure that those suspected of involvement are held to account. We must immediately take steps towards the ratification of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, the UN Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman or Degrading Treatment or Punishment and its optional protocol and to incorporate their provisions into domestic Malaysian law. The Human Rights Commission of Malaysia, which is known as CIHOCAM, had made a startling observation that an average of 19 people had died every year under the watch of the Royal Malaysian Police Force. This indicates a presence of systemic problems in managing and handling detainees in lockups. Hakimi Abdul Jabar, a practicing civil liberties and human rights lawyer, takes a serious view of custodial deaths as every individual is entitled to the fundamental right to life as enshrined in Article 3 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR, which is entrenched in Article 5 Clause 1 of the Federal Constitution and falls under Part 2 of the same that forms part of the basic structure of the said Constitution.